Welcome to our channel WafaTechAndTricks. Today we are diving into one of the most underrated income streams in the digital world, Pinterest affiliate marketing. You have probably used Pinterest for home decor ideas, recipes, or fashion inspiration. But what if I told you that the same platform could help you earn $1,500 or more per month just by sharing images and ideas? Sounds interesting, right? Let's uncover how this works, why Pinterest is secretly a gold mine for creators in 2025, and the exact strategies you can use to turn pins into profit. What is Pinterest affiliate marketing? Before we talk about earnings, let's understand the basics. Pinterest is not just a social media app, it's actually a visual search engine. When users come here, they're not scrolling mindlessly. They are actively searching for solutions, inspiration, or products to buy. That's what makes Pinterest a perfect place for affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing means promoting other people's products and earning a commission every time someone buys through your link. On Pinterest, you do this by creating beautiful, clickable pins that showcase the product and linking them to your affiliate page or landing page. When someone clicks, gets interested, and purchases, you earn money. How it works step by step. Let's break it down into simple, actionable steps. Number 1. Choose a niche. Pick something that people already search for, like fashion, health, home improvement, finance, or tech. Number 2. Join an affiliate network. You can sign up on Amazon Associates, ClickBank, Share a Sale, or Impact Radius. Number 3. Find trending products. Go for products that have demand and good commissions. Number 4. Creating Pinterest pins. Use Canva or AI tools to design eye-catching visuals that match your niche. Number 5. Add affiliate links. Either directly to the product or through a short blog or landing page. Add affiliate links. Number 6. Optimize for SEO. Use relevant keywords in your pin title, description, and hashtags. Number 7. Post consistently. The Pinterest algorithm rewards creators who post daily or weekly with consistency. How to earn $1,500 a month? The real math is here. Let's talk about how much you can realistically make. Pinterest doesn't pay you directly. Your income comes from the affiliate links you share. Let's take an example. Suppose you promote a $100 product with a 10% commission. That's $10 per sale. To reach $1,500, you would need 150 sales per month. With Pinterest, this is possible if you are getting targeted traffic, not random clicks. If you post 3 to 5 pins daily, and even a few of them go viral or stay evergreen, they can bring continuous traffic to your links even while you sleep. That's the magic of Pinterest. It keeps working even when you're not. Why Pinterest is a hidden gold mine in 2025? While everyone is busy chasing YouTube Shorts and TikTok, Pinterest is silently building a massive audience that's ready to buy. Over 480 million monthly users use Pinterest, and a large percentage of them come here with buying intent. Unlike other platforms where content disappears quickly, Pinterest content has a long lifespan. A single pin can rank and bring traffic for months or even years. And with Pinterest introducing AI-powered personalization and shop integration, it's becoming more business-friendly than ever before. So if you start now, you're not just joining a trend, you're getting ahead of one. Pinterest marketing strategies that actually work in 2025. Now, let's talk about strategies, the real blueprint behind earning $1,500 and beyond. Number 1. Optimize your Pinterest profile. Use a clear profile name with your niche keyword, for example, tech trends and gadgets. Add a short, keyword-rich bio that tells users what you offer. Create boards related to your niche, like smart home devices, digital marketing tips, or fitness hacks. Number 2. Master Pinterest SEO. Pinterest works just like Google. Every pin, title, and description should include keywords people are searching for. Use the Pinterest Trends tool to discover what's hot and design your pins around that. Number 3. Create viral pins. Your visuals are everything. Use Canva, Vista Create, or AI design tools to make eye-catching pens. Experiment with bright colors, bold fonts, and call to action phrases like check this out or must have in 2025. Number 4. Leverage idea pens. In 2025, idea pens like short video style pens are dominating. Create quick tutorials, product demos, or top 5 gadgets style clips. They get higher engagement and visibility. Number 5. Automate and schedule. Use tools like Tailwind or Buffer to schedule your pins automatically. This keeps your business posting consistent even when you're busy. Number 6. Track and improve. Monitor which pins perform best, double down on those niche and visuals, and stop wasting time on what doesn't convert. Here's a real-world example. Let's say your niche is home office gadgets. You find a $200 smart desk lamp with a 15% affiliate commission. That's $30 per sale. You create 10 pins showing different angles, features, or uses of that product. A few pins go viral, bringing 10,000 views each. Even with a 1% conversion rate, that's 100 sales or $3 in commission. It's all about strategy, patience, and consistent visuals. The AI advantage in 2025. AI is changing Pinterest marketing completely. You can now use AI to generate product descriptions, design viral pins in seconds, predict trends using keyword analytics, write catchy titles that attract clicks. In short, AI helps you work smarter, not harder. As Pinterest evolves, affiliate marketers who understand its system early will have an advantage. So whether you are a beginner or an experienced marketer, 2025 is the best time to start. Quick recap. Pinterest is a visual search engine with high buying intent. Join trusted affiliate programs like Amazon or share a sale. Create SEO optimized pins using Canva or AI tools. Stay consistent and track analytics. Use automation and creativity to scale your results. Follow this roadmap and $1,500 per month from Pinterest is not just possible, it's predictable. So what do you think about Pinterest affiliate marketing in 2025, and are you ready to start your journey and turn your pins into profit? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to WafaTechAndTricks for more future-focused earning methods. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, bye-bye.